Hello friends, hi, how are you? I hope you all are fine. This is Muhammad Imtiaz. In this course, you will be learn here a switchgear and control panels, wiring designing, component selection, inserting the components, designing the panel, selecting the components, range, capacity, ampere, all things you will learn here. Seeing here a right side so many images is there. Okay, these all images are taken from the live projects. We will learn all things here. Let's start. In this course we are covering all types of electrical panels. Mainly we will focusing on industrial and commercial panels requirement. Nowadays manufacturing companies divided in two parts. One is a switchgear part, another one is a control panels. In switchgear a lot of panels is there: DBs, MDBs, SMDBs, LV panels, all things coming under the switchgear panels. Next, another part is a control panels. Star delta starter control panel, dual starter control panel, soft starter control panel, VFD control panels, and a PLC control panel also coming under this one. Okay, fine. Now I put it here: types of panels, control panels, and DBs, boxes, isolator panel, capacitor bank panels, SMDB panel, and LV panels. Control panel, I already told to you, and DBs, isolator panels, capacitor bank, SMDBs, and LV panels, these all are coming under the switchgear panels. Okay, next we will go which software we required for this designing part. The software is required AutoCAD electrical. Okay, control panels and types. Okay. These all are covering in this control panel sections. We are learning about all necessary requirements of the control panels. Okay, we will learn all things basic to basic and advanced to advanced. What is the customer requirement? As per the load schedule, we will make a panel. Okay, selection of the components, power drawing, control drawing, mounting the all hardware components, and finally we will test it. Next, we will cover a DBs. DBs is a distribution board. Inside in this DB, two types of DBs are available. One is the surface type and flush type. Normally using the two types of DBs, first is surface and second is a flush type. Only difference between the both door edge. Okay. The both DB back box are same, only door is different. The surface type DB is mounting above the wall, okay, and flush type DB are inserting inside the wall and door only it's visible. Okay, back box will be inserting the inside the wall. Next, there are different types of DBs. We are choosing the DBs based on a row and model. One row is nothing but this is a row. Okay, this is called a one row. This is called, you can see here, this is called a row. One row. And 16 model is nothing but how many SPMCBs are mounted in one row. Okay, how much having a capacity, that is a model. It's showing one row 16 model. You can see here this is called one row and 16 model, and two row 16 model. You can see here one and two. This is a row, two row, one row and two row. This is a models 16. We can fit it SPMCB here. Some DBs are special type, the plate DB. Okay, this is called plate DB. This is also called plate DB. Okay, first we are selecting the enclosure based on the load schedule. Okay, and we are making a physically a rail. How many quantities SB we want to mount here? Okay, as per the load schedule we are mounting here. This is the plate. Okay, this is a rail. By using enclosure panel box based on load schedule, selection of the enclosure components making a number of a row and models. How much row we want, we will make. How much models we want to insert there, we will, as per the requirement, we will make it. Okay. Next, using a PVC sheet. This one is a PVC sheet. We are covering the cables. The without PVC sheet, it looks like. With PVC sheet, it looks like a clean. Next, cable selection. We will selecting the cable as per the rating of incomer. Busbar selection, ELCB, MCB, isolator, and contactor. All things we will learn in our DB section. Next, we will go to SMDB. In this section, SMDB section, we will learn calculating the load schedule, selecting the bus bar, breakers. Bus bar is nothing but this one bus bar, and breaker. This is a breaker, this is a breaker, this all are breaker. Isolator. Sometimes the customized requirement is isolator. That time we are providing isolator. Enclosure selection as per the international standard. CT selection as per the class rating. And CBCT selection as per the incomer cable size and current rating. Whenever we are designing the SMDB, that time we will learn. These all three are using the protection purpose. We will learn in SMDB section. Next part is a capacitor bank. Capacitor bank, in simple word, due to a presence of inductors in a load, there is a delay in current with respect to voltage. Okay. In other word, there is a phase lag. Okay. In between phase lag, we want each phase different between the 120 degree. Okay. So when voltage is 90 degree, the current may not be a maximum. Okay. As we result, power cannot be a maximum. Okay. We will learn more in capacitor bank. This is the introduction. Now we will discuss about the LVMDB panel. This is called main distribution board, are used to distribute and control the power supply in large buildings such as in shopping malls, hospital, university, and hotels. Okay, this is a power supply. The main board. This is a main ACB, air circuit breaker. This is a generator circuit breaker. And main cables are came here connected with the main breaker, and power will be going to here. This is a black line you are seeing. This is the bus bars. These all are bus bar directions. And this one is a generator ACV. Whenever the main power supply disconnected, for standby purpose, generator will be on. And this same bus bar is going to attaching to the main bus bar. These all are feeders. The major role playing in switchgear field a bus bar. The bus bar is a main component. Okay, we will learn about this bus bar also. And air circuit breaker. This is all air circuit breakers. MCCBs. These all are MCCBs. Okay, we called a feeder. A CT current transformer. The metering purpose we are installing the CT inside there, and meterings. The all are metering, measuring the power consumption. Okay, this is a LVMDB. The more details we will learn in LVMDB section. We will cover in this course. Okay, fine. This introduction course will be ended here. Next, we will start to our course journey. Join with us. We will learn together more. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.